while we wait for a few people to ask for a few questions, what kind of things do you have in the pipeline with Joiin that we could look forward to for the coming months?
Yes, so obviously always big plans in terms of development. Some improved kind of visuals of the reports, always something that's kind of a continual improvement that we're looking to work on. Some further improvements to KPIs and dashboards, a new kind of grouping tool, as well as something we're going to be looking at. It's kind of our big piece for the next couple of months. That could be a kind of an ongoing piece, allowing for kind of setting of hierarchies of companies, custom groupings. That's kind of a couple of the things we've got earmarked. But things can always obviously change. But on the kind of the point of feedback, if there's any, I can see there are some of our users within here or kind of future users, please do let us know any kind of feature requests, ideas you have. We're always really keen to hear them and implement them into our roadmap.
We've got a question from Mitesh. He's asking, is it possible to consolidate with multiple currencies?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'll go back over to my screen actually, and I'll show you, Mitesh, just how simple that is. So I'm going to go over to one of our off-the-shelf reports again, company here, and Joiin will provide the exchange rate data for you automatically, but equally over the top of that, you can go into settings and you can customize the exchange rates used within Joiin. So we take our exchange rates from somewhere called theopenexchange.org. However, if you want to, you can enter your own manual rates. So I know a lot of our users like to use the rates taken from xe.com like Xero does. You can do that yourself as well, really nice and simply.
I know one question with consolidations is obviously with group consolidations, you always have like an entity that has the group consolidation kind of adjustment. So for example, goodwill is not booked on an entity, is booked at the group level. So my understanding is you can upload another entity in Joiin using an Excel template, right? And then you can then do the consolidation that way. Is that still the case, or can you now do consolidation journals in Joiin now?
Yes, so exactly as you say, really. So you've got the options there. You can create a dummy company or a consolidation company within Joiin, which we give away free of charge as well. And you can post in any consolidation adjustments into that company. You can do it via an Excel upload, or it's probably easier, you can just key that in directly to Joiin. And we've made real strides on that area of Joiin to make it kind of streamlined and as simple as possible. So that's definitely something that we're more than happy to assist with. Got lots of support videos and documentation on how that one works.
Yeah. Is there any plans to add other accounting softwares as well, like NetSuite and maybe Zoho, or are we just at the moment with Xero, Quickbooks and Sage?
So there's kind of two prongs to that kind of question, I guess, really. Yes, definitely plans to integrate with other accounting platforms. Obviously, I won't say any particulars until kind of we get those over the line, but definitely keen and speaking to some other accounting platforms to integrate with. But we've also recently released an API to Joiin. So currently an outward API, so you can send Joiin data to other platforms. So whether that be kind of Clipfolio, or kind of any of the kind of plethora of other reporting tools out there or dashboarding tools. So definitely recommend trying that one out if you're a Joiin user, all accessible in the kind of settings menu. But yeah, definitely keen to open that one up as well to bring in data to Joiin so that you'll be able to connect to other accounting platforms.
And then in my previous life, I used to do a lot of consolidations for other companies as well. And although we're using systems like SAP and Oracle, we'd always do our consolidation in Excel, right? Just how it was. In your experience, Joiin can replace Excel as a consolidation tool. Would you say that's correct?
Absolutely. If you look at the numerous case studies that we've worked to kind of create with customers, our reviews, that is the sentiment that people put across, really. It tends to be, I wish I'd found Joiin sooner. It's completely replaced Excel and removed all of those headaches. So if you add a new code mid-month, and it ruins your whole spreadsheet, you don't have that issue with Joiin. All of it's automated. You get nice warnings if there's any kind of issues there. That's kind of the sentiment, really, that Joiin can completely replace your Excel consolidations.